In this video, we are going to change the strings to uppercase in a Pandas DataFrame. Changing a string value to uppercase can be useful in various situations like consistency, parsing, cryptography, etc. So let's right away get into our solution. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Pandas DF, that is DataFrame. Change one value to uppercase. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. This query requires Pandas library to function, so make sure that you have this library installed. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Now copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import the Pandas and NumPy library. This part of the code is to create data frame using dictionary. This part of the code is to change a column value of the data frame to uppercase. Now to visualize the output, print df and then run the cell. So let's run the code. And you have changed string to uppercase in Pandas DataFrame.